We founded Amici in 1993, right out of college. Had an opportunity to jump into a defunct restaurant. I got a couple friends together and we tried to jump into the American dream and see if we could run a business, and that's what we did.
We felt that using electric was the way to go for a number of reasons. A couple of those are safety, ease of cleaning, ease of instruction to our people, and so they've all worked out well for us.
We got to a point in the company where we really wanted to take a broad look at everything we were doing, every system, every piece of equipment. So we went and explored what kind of options were out there related to gas versus electric equipment. And we really discovered that there was a lot of efficiencies. Recovery time for our fryers, for our oven was very important to help speed up production, which allowed us to in turn get product out to our customers faster and turn tables, which ultimately leads to better business practices for us.
Georgia Power has really been a good partner for us. We've been using, obviously, many of their services over the years, and we continue to use their services, and where they have really helped us out is making sure that we're using our power efficiently. So they've been invaluable help to us.
When we were at the Customer Resource Center, Mike and Brandon, who's our regional kitchen manager, and myself went down and took our own products, experimented our own recipes with all the equipment. Any information that we needed that we didn't have or they didn't have on spot, they were able to get very quickly for us. So it really just became a conduit for convenience while we were exploring this process of changing out our entire kitchen, really.
Going with the more energy efficient equipment has helped us obviously in saving money, but then also longevity of the equipment itself.
Being energy efficient in a restaurant is very important. All your percentages in a restaurant are very important to lock in. We use a lot of energy in a restaurant. We have a rooftop bar, large dining room, large oven, 5 fryers, flat top grill, just tons and tons of equipment that pulls a lot of energy. Trying to find the equipment that is the most efficient to be able to do the job properly is very important.
We tested the ovens and found them to work very well for speed and for the consistency of the flavor of our product. And we also carried that over into the fryers that we use and also the grill top.
Other benefits from having that oven is that it's a lot lighter. So in the gas ovens, you know, all the pipes and everything and the way it works, they're pretty heavy. Once you set them, they're pretty much there. And you have to clean around them. And that becomes difficult to do. With this oven, with it being so much lighter, it's on wheels and it plugs straight into the wall. We don't have the gas hookups. We can literally unplug them from the wall, roll it out, clean behind it, plug it back in, roll it back, and you're good to go.
For the fryers, you know, there's no pilot light to check. There's no gas line that could have a leak somewhere. Again, that's a safety issue. For the pizza ovens, again, it's come in, make sure they're set to temp and turn them on, and away we go. You can then focus on other things in your kitchen, getting prepped for your service and making sure that everything else is right. You don't have to focus so much on the equipment, and again, maintenance of them is lower upkeep as well. You know, on an electric fryer, there is no like heat residual coming out the backside of it. Everything is contained within the unit there. That goes to the AC units that are cooling our kitchens. They don't have to work as hard, or our hood vents. They don't have to work as hard to pull that heat out of our kitchens.
Feedback from our employees related to the upgrades of electric equipment probably has to do mostly in the kitchen related to heat. Electric equipment doesn't put off the same amount of heat, and it seems to be a little smarter for BTU control, and ultimately we have cooler kitchens, happier employees, and that makes morale better for everybody.
We feel that this is the genesis of what we're going to be doing going forward with all our future locations.